What's going on, guys? We're in for a special treat today. Today I'm gonna be taking out my uncle in my long travel 4Runner. This guy's never been in anything like this, so it's gonna be interesting to see how he's gonna react. Honestly, we haven't even told him either, but we're like honestly gonna like rip it with them in it, and he's probably gonna freak out. So we'll see how he reacts.
Where are we going?
He's gonna tell you right now. Alright, so this is a little video that we're doing. Get your reaction on how it feels to be in a vehicle like this, because I'm sure you've never been in a vehicle like this.
Your mama has one like this.
Well, this used to be my mom's, so, but not like how mine is, because mine has like all crazy suspension on it. My suspension's worth more than your Tesla, honestly.
I gotta see the receipt.
Oh, I could show you it. Alright, so what do you think so far? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Pretty spacious. Pretty spacious. Like a lot of room. Plus,
yeah.
I like the height.
Yes.
How hard was it for you to step into the vehicle?
I'm pretty tall, so it didn't matter.
Yeah, right. How tall are you?
5'2".
5'2"? I'm pretty sure that's midget status.
I'm not getting kidnapped, am I?
Maybe.
Oh shoot, man.
We're gonna take you out to the to the boonies.
Shoot, man. Don't go too far, man, because I got things to do at the house.
Yeah, no, we're not going too far.
Nah, it's just right here.
Where you guys gonna put this information at?
Put this information?
Yeah. I'm being recorded, so
yeah, I know.
It's gotta go somewhere.
We're sending this to ICE.
Yeah. You're gonna go off-roading today.
Oh, well, you guys are asking for it, because I just ate.
Oh, shoot.
3 enchiladas and 1 burrito.
You eat like a pregnant woman.
I don't want no more debts. You guys done this before?
This is my first time trying it.
Alright.
So we'll see how it goes.
Alright. We're almost there, man?
Yeah. We're almost there.
Shit, you've been saying that for 20 minutes, man. Shoot, no. Really?
Yeah, see, I told you. That's it. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna crash! Oh, it's gonna tip over. Oh, crash. Ah, shoot. Oh, hold on, man. This is dangerous, man.
See? That's it. I know, I almost
crashed, man. I ain't scared anybody. I'm more asleep than awake right now, man. And you got crazy people coming up to trying to kill you.
Yeah. I heard a story, I don't know from who, but literally, like, I think, oh, you know what, it was Patrick.
Heck, man. Are you trying to get it to me or what, man?
Making sure I get a good angle.
Heck, man, my teeth are gonna come out, man.
Here's the last part, and then you can go to bed.
The last part?
Yeah.
What? Heck, man.
I said I spent a lot of money on this thing.
Yeah.
Well,
you gotta mess up the suspension, man.
I'm not gonna do the donut. You know, the faster you go, the smoother it gets.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Remember how bouncy it was before when we were going over here? Yeah, look how smoother it is now.
Yeah.
And the faster you go, the faster you die. If anything wrong happens.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright. There we go. Now we're on solid ground.
Son of a gun, man.
What'd you think?
That was rocky, man.
That was rocky?
Yeah.
Have you ever done that before?
No, not that I know. Not that I remember.
All right, now we're gonna head home.
All right.
All right, what do you think, Dio?
About what?
Out of 10, how was that?
Oh, the truck's good, man. It's okay. It's pretty sturdy, man.
Yeah.
You can take all that abuse, man.
What's the Felipe score? Out of 10.
Probably like a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Ooh, dang.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Probably later on down the road.
Later down.
Yeah, later down the road, maybe.
Later, like 5 minutes later down the road?
Like 2045.
2045. 2045? The year?
Yeah. I'll be almost dead, eh?
Almost did. That'll be your.
I'll be my hurry up to get dead.
Yeah, that'll be your one-way ticket.
That'll be like a little boost to hurry up and finish my last time of life. Sheesh. 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 What's that UFC fighter that does? He does something like that. Remember that UFC fighter?
Yeah, Chewiwis.
Chica-wee. What do you say?
No, it's a Chewiwis.
Chewiwis.
All right, we're back home. That pretty much wraps everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a little bit different than what I've been doing, but it's definitely a fun one because I actually love to see his reaction with what the 4Runner can do. And let me know what you guys think of my Theo, because honestly, if y'all comment like some funny stuff or whatever, he might actually do it again. We'll see though. That pretty much sums everything up. Peace out, guys. Get the dogs.